Open your eyes. Thanks.
Waiting all day, all day, babe. Won't you come sit and sit to me? Talking, wanna be together always. Don't you know when I hold on some more time? They promise me forever. Waiting all day, babe. Won't you come sit and sit to me? Talking, wanna be together always. Don't you know when I hold on some more time? So tell me why you look confused when I'm the one who did the truth. How could you ever be so cold to go behind my back, my friend? Boy, you must have done to got your head. You left a number on your phone. So tell me why you look confused when I'm the one who did the truth. How could you ever be so cold to go behind my back, my friend? Boy, you must have done to got your head. Don't you know when I hold on some more time? They promise me forever. Don't you know when I hold on some more time? They promise me forever.
Hello there. Feels like it's been a year. Feels like it's been ages. I have been MIA for probably about close to a month, but we are back. I'm gonna fill you in eventually, but let's finish this walk. It's just finished raining, so I'm not sure if I took the right path. Oh well, we continue the misadventures of Ashleigh. Pun, copyright Ashleigh. Cool. Onwards.
Tighter than Orion's belt, I fall through your orbit. Need a ticket out of here on a space jet. Shooting stars slide across the sky like a laser beam, burning through the night. Can't help but feel ya. You've got a spell on me. I'm under your gravity.
A few vlogs back where, or it might have been in my holiday series where I mentioned something about stupid drivers. Well, not stupid drivers, but like taking a mandatory test to drive on our roads. I just witnessed, so this is the highway here, and I just witnessed these stupid drivers do a U-turn over here, almost causing a 6-car crash. They do a U-turn, and what are they? Asians, touring Asians. They also should have to do tests to drive on our roads. I'm pretty sure you can't even do a U-turn there. They make me roll my eyes. That wasn't an effect. I actually just made myself fall back. Daylight saving started today. It's now 4:55, and look how much the sun is still out. Like, without blinding you, it's not even ready to set. Welcome to spring. Okay. This sun is bright. I instantly regret setting this up. I don't know where I was going with that. Anyways, I'm gonna need to put like sunglasses on or something. So, yep. Cool. Crackin', mate. I feel good about this now. I feel enthused. I feel excited. I feel like I'm falling off the edge of my chair, which I am. Yep. This wasn't much of a talking one this weekend. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. I'll see you guys next week. I don't know why I make that noise.